Joining us now with more on the Ben Shapiro situation, Judge Andrew Napolitano, who's our Fox News senior judicial analyst. So does he have a lawsuit against that school, public university, shutting down first speech?
Of course he does. The evidence that he was silenced because of the content of his speech is overwhelming. And while the government can do things for public safety, it cannot do something, silence you because it doesn't like your message. If this were a private university, it'd be a different story. This is the government-owned property. The Supreme Court has said not only can it not silence him, it has a duty to protect him so that he can say what he's brought there to say, and the people who want to hear him can hear his words.
The irony is he was trying to deliver a message about the ridiculousness of safe spaces and microaggressions and all these trigger warnings that college students need. Right. And they're so sensitive they can't even hear the other side on that. And the professors were behind them.
This is essentially a speech about the virtues of the freedom of speech, and that's what was silenced.
And that they had to shut down. What's happening with the lawsuits against Ted Cruz on his eligibility to run for president?
I don't think it's going to go anywhere. The news peg today is that it was filed by a very serious lawyer who has no skin in the game. It's not a Donald Trump supporter. It's not a Marco Rubio supporter. It's a serious Chicago lawyer who filed a meaningful lawsuit and a meaningful document supporting it. My own view, he fits squarely within a 1790s era statute saying, if one of your parents is an American citizen who spent at least 1 year of his or her life in the United States before you were born, you are a natural-born citizen no matter where the mother was when you drew your first breath.
How about Hillary Clinton? Because we heard earlier tonight from Catherine Herridge that yet more emails have been released that are classified. Now the number tops 2,000.
Over 2,000 emails that Mrs. Clinton says when she looked at them, she didn't know that they were confidential, secret, or top secret. That is utterly without belief. Some of these which mention drone strikes, some of them which mention the names of undercover people working for foreign governments and for us. Some of these have transcripts of conversations of foreign government leaders, and she didn't know that that stuff was top secret, and she sent it on to her aides anyway.
It gets more and more disturbing, and the AG's office is looking into it.